Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how you can use Janus Pro on your PC for free. DeepSeek, after the release of DeepSeek R1, just released another multimodal called Janus Pro, which is able to generate images from text and the text from images. That's why it's called multimodal. So now let's just see how you can use Janus Pro for free. So first of all, you have to go to Janus Pro Hugging Face. You have to just search this and you have to open this first website, and then here in this website you can see the performance of the previous Janus models and the new Janus Pro 7 billion parameters model. You can see here the performance difference between both models, and you will see the files of the Janus model. Here you can see all the files, so you can see how you can use transformers to use this model, and to deploy this model you can use these two things. So in order to use this model, you have to just go to this URL and then write here spaces spaces slash and then press enter. You'll see a new interface that this model is running on the Hugging Face server. So here you can see you can upload an image from here and you can ask any question from that image, and here it will give it a response. So first of all, we are using multi-model understanding, so first let's just give it an image. I just gave it an image of the nature, so let's just ask it a question. Words. So let's chat. You can see the image, it's of nature, and just wait for some time until it pre-processes the image. So let's just wait for the response. So you can see the image depicts a serene lakeside scene surrounded by mountains. There are two prominent trees. You can see the two trees standing on a rocky outcrop in the middle of the lake. You can see they are on the middle of the lake. In the background, there are lights from a small village or town, adding a touch of warmth to the otherwise moody atmosphere. You can see the lightning above on the sky. So it understands the image and just told us what's there in the image. So let's just copy this and then go to the text to image generation model and give it the same prompt here. So I gave it the same prompt that it gave from the text to image image to text model. So let's generate the image. It will take some time and it will generate a couple of images from the same prompt. And there are some examples for you also. You can use them to generate image also. And you can see it generates a couple of images from the same prompt. It doesn't look 100% like the image we gave it, but it make something close to it. So let's just, you can see this image. There's lightning above on the sky, the two trees on the rock, lake. This one, it's not good as the first one, and this one it's also good. You can download it from here. Okay, so it's text to image generation model, and then here it is image to text model. You can use these examples also, explain this meme or convert the formula into LaTeX code. And here if you chat it, it will convert it into the LaTeX. So here you can see. So it's thanks for watching. Bye bye.